Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how to use position Sailor ship trajectory position. So I will explain exactly and how to send GPS daily test, weekly test and monthly test after departure test. So first pattern call test pattern used to call to DSC test, call to DSC call and can choose individual express safety test. This safety test for everyday test and position test, safety test and individual test. Is safety test press under this to choose MSI number. Is everyday test we can choose from our MSI number or any other person. Test for daily test and back. Or if you don't want to test, cancel. Exit. Test for fast pattern and test alert. Test alert for distress call. This distress call can choose press and Afghani, piracy, now bubble, piracy, Afghani, and designated. And then you don't want to test, cancel, or if you want to test, you want to put to test press here and then now cancel. Exit. First pattern call and second pattern alert. This call for daily test, test alert for test call. And then dark pattern test for TROPOS. That pattern mean test relay on behalf or somebody else. Sometimes we can receive test call. Just time we cannot we cannot acknowledge test time. We can relay pattern. So test pattern test relay on behalf of somebody else. So press and relay individual, press relay all, relay individual and relay all, and then test for send to designated and Afghani it test relay test person it Afghani or piracy, mail bubble, e-bash and for example mail bubble and we can choose latitude and longitude. If you don't want to test relay, cancel and exit. So test pattern call for a daily test. Test alert pattern for test our some test need to test pattern and test for test relay. Test 1, 2, 3 and fourth pattern for move. And this means the press move and scan. Scan means for our this scanning channel scan and start. So now scanning channel 60 is stop. Exit and then move again. Setup. This setup means second ham time off and second resume. Watch push periodic scan. Going to forward press and then channel mode means international, US, PI, Canada, ART, select. So international and then this for call channel. Our call channel, international channel, PI channel, US channel, CA channel, private channel. So and then want to go forward. It's for power supply, monitor display and enable display. And then go to forward this position and MSI number. Position and now this for our position and then this position come from GPS and connected GPS. This our MSI number, and exit is for DSC group. DSC group is for contact number. DSC group exit is for auto tag or auto test on or off. We can choose any one. So I everyday on, and also auto acknowledge pulling on, and then auto acknowledge position on, or auto acknowledge individual is off, and then non-destroy activity. Destroy activity is we can choose everywhere on or something 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 50 minutes, etc. And then non-destroy alert on medical transport or something. Just for we can choose DSC setup. We can choose everything. And then print DSC on. Printer is our voice connected to the printer, so that's time we can print DSC on. We know how printer DSC, so that's time no need to on, so the off. And then DSC subject. The DSC subject me every day, which daily subject. So press and then run. This for clockwise. Then run. Okay. So now DSC that's best. Okay. I'm going to move. Set position. Everyday DSC set that, and then go to forward and receive destroy and DSC call log. The receive destroy pattern now DSC receive call log nothing, and then exit transmit call to 135 14 May 2025 test call safety from 31400 1038. So this for DSC subject everyday subject move test. Exit and then receive call. This for transmitter code and receive call. Receive call also test call from MSI number. They're going to forward that we can choose everything, and then exit. Set up, go to forward. Receive call. System is for printer configuration. If we don't know how to printer, so that's time we need to on language also this language only English display. Forward handset, this handset volume 18 and handset to volume 18. It was speaker fit, it was fit volume off, we love off. This for anyone we can choose, and then off or on anything we can do. Okay, or and then going to forward. Now this radio setup nothing. So after going to down, this for squealer from 9, and then we can choose everyone is for some frequency, and then so this time we can adjust this squealer. This button for only volume down up and then this for to power button also same volume F down. If you want to power off, this button press about 3 seconds, and then this button we can choose from channel clockwise and anti-clockwise. So that's that at night navigation time dimmer we can press dimmer, and then dimmer on press clockwise and anti-clockwise. And this one word is used for at long side time we can choose one word. So that's that low. This button for power receive call. So power relay call, or I will show backward.
Our sequence.
That's for really powered. We really powered and we can understand it. And then that's for your what? For example, now this Fujara port control. This call Fagan port control for UAE call Fagan port control channel 67. So that's time we can choose 60 and 67 and you are what? So that's time you are what? 67. 67. So that's time 67 and channel 16. So how to do 67? How to do your work? First we can choose 67 or something. So now we choose the 67. That's time your word. Press your word. So that's time 67 and 67 and your word. You don't want to your word? Press your word delete. So this position, this everything finished. This for destroy pattern. For example, is destroy pattern press and also we can choose every day and designated policy abdani something like this. So I will explain this conclusion. First, this pattern for call. This call to DSC call and the second pattern for last for destroy call. If we had destroy call, we have time, we can choose this second pattern. If we don't have time, that's time this cover and also press pattern. That's for we have first pattern call, second pattern left. The third pattern for you destroy really call. The fourth pattern we can choose the setter. Now this for radio setter, forward channel setter, power supply and the DSC setter. And the DST call log system setter. This for control setter. Control setter mean for volume. And then this for radio setter. So this complete. And then this pattern for squealer, volume low up, power button and also dimmer and channel. Dimmer and selected channel. And then this for dual word. This one word for cargo operation at pass. This for power replay. So that's for completed Sailor set trajectory position DSC. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.